Good morning, everyone. It's Tandemonium
Day 12.
Day 12. Losing track of what day it is. And here we are at a lovely chalet with a beautiful garden.
This unfortunate South Tyrolean mountaineer got cut in half by rockfall, it seems. The bottom half is still here.
Wow. And here, I thought you were good for nothing. Wowie. Our launch point for today. Here's our fearless pilot taking a break. And there are the clouds starting to build. Keep going.
As the thermals got going, it clouded over. It started raining nearby. There you have it. Looks like we're just gonna sleddy down. If we can escape eastward along the Puster Valley, that's fine, but everything's in the shade. So plan A anyways, sleddy down, escape the rain.
Try it.
Tandemonium Day 12, well, our unsupported run from Bassano ends here in a place called Sigmund in the Puster Valley. I think we're gonna take the train and bus out of here for one more day of flying somewhere. It was a good run. We dodged the weather pretty well. We had some great flights and completely unsupported, so success for Tandemonium.